But yeah, they're the two boxes there and the other stuff at the bottom top. So this is one of the boxes here. It says there, bargain box, unknown RRP, our best value clearance box. Price excluding VAT is £20, but it was buy one, get one free. I said buy one, get one free. So yeah, we'll open this up in a minute. So here's the first box. Let's open it up. This blade's a bit blunt. I don't really want to. So this is what we've got. We've got a telescopic net by the look of it. We've got a t-shirt for a child by the look of it. Got another t-shirt here, or vest. We've got some balloons by the look of it. Some size 12, but I'm thinking they look like size 12 to me. Pads. Another pack of balloons. Another slim shirt. T-shirt. Looks like a wig. New fashion nylon hair nets. Some Pokemon, not cards, well they are cards but they're not Pokemon cards. Like a postcard with Pokemon on it. Like socks. A remote control for, it looks like a universal one actually. Yeah, it is a universal remote. Peppermint oil, that's what you can smell. And another peppermint oil. Okay then, there's 3 of them. What is it? Refine your jaw, strengthen neck and face muscles. I think it's something that you bite down on. Well, we'll see if that's brand new and not being used. Some more balloons. And some ribbon. Not sure what that is. It looks like socks. Yeah, hypothermia socks. Not sure what they are. Another pack of those Pokemon cards, look like postcards to me. Or birthday cards with envelopes, I don't know. Don't know what that is, but it's broke. Looks like it was a light, or what was it? Either way, it's broke, so that'll go straight into the bin. Another pack of those Pokemon cards. Another pair of those socks, hypothermia socks. 1, 2, 3 packs of balloons. I think they've got 60 on them. Sweet organiser with thank you stickers, but they are danker or danky, so they're not even English thank yous. Oh, it's a small Stanley planer by the look of it, and it does look like it has been used to be. There's a few marks on it, but hey, if it's worth something, we'll take it. Looks like another balloon to me. I don't know what they are. I think the bolt covers them. Plastic dome, bolt nut pro, 50 pieces, so yeah, the covers. And a 4-pack of something. Don't know what they are. Oh, bedding. So yeah, not the best haul, but not the worst. One broken item out of it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 items altogether, I would say. But obviously one item is broken. I don't know if there's anything else broken in them. But yeah, 30 items, not too bad. Could have been better though. It is just crap, I would say. So I've just unpacked one box. That's what was in there. That's one box down, another one to go. So let's open this one now. So we could class this one as the free box because it was buy one get one free. Let's open it up. Trying not to cut into the stock that I've got. Come on. Come on, there we go. And this is what's in there. So what have we got in here then? I don't like the sound of that. One sec. What is drawing pins? The kind that you can put on a mat. And then a cork ball with a house. Okay, I don't know what that's about. There we go. I've not really got any space now in here. One sec, let me close that box up. Sorry if I'm giving you a vertigo, making you dizzy. Next item. Don't like to get lighter adapters, but I don't know what for. I'll look into that. Pack of balloons. Load of resistors or transistors. Oh, the switches, the little button switches. Okay, they could come in handy. Got 3 packs of them by the look of it at the moment. Another balloon. An intelligent cat teasing ball. Isn't it? It is a teasing ball. Okay. It's not working now. So it might need charging. Not sure what that is. Looks like a case for something, I don't know. But we've got it. Some washer fluid caps. I don't know if they're a standard fitment to cars. Flabber water tubes. Oh, I'll see if Mum's interested in these. One sec. So no, Mum's not interested in these, but I've just had a look online. Someone's got a pack of 8 on for £19.35. It looks like free postage. So I could do a price there. What's that? Sheer top shiny fin. Okay. Another pack of those buttons, switches. This looks like a heavy one. Index cards, 6 colours. Reading glasses. 5 pack of reading glasses, mixed colour. And I think they're a 4.0. Some of those insoles. Oh, happy birthday banner. Okay. Decorate your princess dream. Yep, not sure what that is. Look into it a bit more. Face spatula. Blackhead remover apparently. Ibuprofen. Perfect for those who have a poor relationship with the truth. Joke medication box. That's pretty funny, to be fair. I've got 1, 3, what's that one called? Tight shittermans. Work but may not provide hope. They're pretty funny, to be fair. They are pretty funny. Next, handmade. So, okay. Just some tags to put on. A nice little crown. I think I'll put that up with a magnet. Some more of these buttons. Another one. Another one. Put them up there. We'll see how much they go for. I don't know why you'd have that. I don't think that would work, but it's a cable connector. Professional connector and cable and adapter. Okay. Another pack of balloons. Alright. Pumpkin decoration. Okay. Don't like candles at first, but they're not. And then some crafting jewels. More stuff. We've got a eye pencil. Some makeup brushes. Not the best quality by the look of it. A camera case. Oh no, it's a Switch case. It's for your Switch. For your Nintendo Switch. Okay. Some more insoles. Some more decorations. Handmade decorations. Urbanite. Apple Watch strap. Okay. Some more makeup brushes. Burgundy. Okay. Double XL jumper. No smoking or vaping on these premises, so it's stickers. Oh, I've not got anywhere to put these up because I vape all over this shed, so I don't know how many's in a pack. 6 pieces. That's not too bad then. It'll come in handy somewhere. And then whatever this is, it's still open, but it's still sealed. But I want to see what's in it. I can't find Halloween table runner. Let's see how many items we got in total. That's not going to stay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 items in that one. So overall 74 items minus 2 because that's broke, and now I'm just going to stick up here somewhere. So 72 items for £20 plus VAT, so £20, add another £4 on top, you're talking £24 there for 72 items. So thanks for watching. I will have to go through all this stuff now, see what's worth what. Like these buttons, I don't think they're worth much, but you get a pack of 20, and those buttons always come in handy for repairing stuff. I had a look at the peppermint oil, that was like £14. Those flower tubes, water tubes, they're £19.35. We'll just see. Balloons, maybe £1 a pack, something like that, I don't know. But yeah, we'll make more. For the items that I've got, I'm happy. I mean, they're not great quality ones or anything like that, and the prices will reflect that on eBay. Each item comes out at around 33p each, so yeah, not too bad. Not everything can be sold. One or two things were broken or already opened. That's going in here somewhere. I'll put it on a magnet and stick it up. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you want to, you can comment, share, like or subscribe to the channel if you haven't done. I pretty much do a daily vlog, upload it every other day. This is a standalone video of just stock that I bought from Trade Outlet as mystery boxes, just to showcase the sort of stuff that you get inside. Most of it is just your usual tat and stuff like that, and then other stuff could be quite useful, like switches or what have you. One thing was broken, is what it is, but if you're interested in any of my other videos, you can click on the channel and you can go through my vlogs there. I also do a few car boot sale videos, and also whatever I get up to during my days. So it's up to you if you want to subscribe. It's not a requirement, you can watch my videos for free anyway. Subscribing's free. If you are interested in my eBay store, then the link for that store will be in the description down below. I also have an eBay parts page only, so that's for stuff that's faulty but can still be repurposed or can have parts taken out of it. I also have a photography Facebook page, which is Picken Shots, and the link for that will also be in the description down below. So thank you for watching, everybody, it is greatly appreciated, and with that, to the next video.